What up, patio? Robbie from Premier Lawns. Today's video, we're out doing some power washing, so make sure you stick around. What up, patio? And welcome back to cleaning a block paved patio. This is a winter job that we did recently. This is the small block paved patio that we're cleaning today. The first job, after we get the power washer set up, we'll go around the outside with the turbo nozzle. That's the nozzle that you see here. It's just a really powerful, strong nozzle. This was filmed in February this year, and apparently it's the wettest February on record, and I can see why. This machine we're using here, for those of you that don't know, it's called a flat surface cleaner. The water gets pushed down into it, and underneath it's got 3 jets, and they spin around really fast, powered by the water pressure. And the flat surface cleaner is much faster at cleaning areas. We use different tips on the lance. The black tip I'm putting on in a minute is known as a washdown nozzle, and it is a very light pressure for cleaning things and washing stuff down. It's too wet at the moment. We'll come back another day in a few weeks, hopefully in the spring whenever things dry a little, and we'll put down a biocide and we'll re-sand. Biocide removes any of the lichen that's left on the paving. You can see the green there on the concrete. The biocide will also help clear that away naturally in its own time. If you're enjoying this video, if you could give me a like down below, it really helps me out. Just go ahead now and just smash that like button. Really helps me out, it helps me grow my channel. Subscribe for more videos like this and make sure you hit that bell icon, then you won't miss any of my future videos. So that's us, paving all cleaned. I know a lot of guys are always asking me about what power washer I have, so I'm going to be talking about that just coming up now. I bought this machine pre-built from jetmac.co.uk. It's got an AR pump on it. It's belt driven. A lot of guys have asked me how it's all bolted together, so there you go guys, you can see it for yourself. It also has the Honda GX390 engine on it, and it outputs 21 litres a minute of water.